Saved message.
Hey, what's up? I just lost it. If I help me, I fucking lost it. I just blew up. My whole entire fucking apartment building. You know, everything fucking stuff. So, I'm having a hard time here today. And, I don't know.
Calm down, deep breaths, and get yourself dressed. Instead of running around and pulling on your threads and breaking yourself up. If it's a broken part, replace it. If it's a broken arm, then brace it. If it's a broken heart, then face it and hold your own. Know your name and go your own way. Hold your own. Know your name and go your own way, and everything will be fine. Hang on, help is on the way, and stay strong. I'm doing everything. Hold your own, know your name, and go your own way. Hold your own, know your name, and go your own way, and everything will be fine. Everything. Are the details in the fabric? Are the things that make you panic? Are your thoughts results of static claim? Are the things that make you blow? Have no reason, go on and scream. If you're shocked, it's just the fault of faulty manufacturing. Everything